How to fix Discord lag. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone and then go directly to apps. On apps you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. Then go to Discord. When you open Discord, go to storage and go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And don't forget the last things is going to Play Store and updating your TikTok, your Discord, sorry, again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in another video.